Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda. Hi! All right, my friends, we're in the home stretch. It's day 20! It is day 20! Can you believe Christmas is just in a few days? I mean, we are this close now. That's just mind boggling. So, let's see what our Bird and Blend calendar has in store for us today on this day 20. All right. Today, rhubarb and custard. Tangy rhubarb and creamy custard, guilt-free sweet treat. This is a rooibos tea base. We brew for 4 minutes. You can have it with or without milk. Our ingredients are rooibos, rhubarb pieces, calendula, vanilla pieces, and flavoring. I don't know how I feel about this, as I've not been a big rhubarb fan in the past. But, you know, this calendar has been all about trying something new, and haven't steered me wrong yet. Well, a couple of minutes, but that's all right. All right, so pulling it out, you can absolutely tell that this is a red tea base, and then it just looks like there's, sticks and twigs and the rest of it. I mean, it's it is what it is. There's not much of a smell. Ooh. Oh, look, my teapot's leaking. Well, that's what happens when you fill it above max, I guess. That was my fault. I did that. Okay. All right. Hey, Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes and counting.
That is just so very strange. It's coming from my watch again, but that's fine. All right. If this is your first time at the channel, thanks for coming by and seeing what we're doing during our Advent calendar series. My name is Linda. Hi. If you've come back by the channel to see what our Bird and Blend Advent calendar is bringing to us today, I appreciate you coming back. Either way, whether you're a new viewer or an old viewer, I appreciate that you are spending 8 to 12 minutes of your holiday time with me here on day 20. Oh my goodness, Christmas has just come so fast this year, hasn't it? So, all right, our 4 minute timer has elapsed. So we will pull our bag out. Rhubarb, huh? Let's see. It has quite a lovely color to it. It's a beautiful red color. It looks like it's clear. I'm not seeing any particulate in it. I don't have a lot of experience with rhubarb, mainly because growing up, to me, it looked like celery, only red, and I don't like celery at all. So I kind of steered away from it. So I can't truly identify if the smell that I am smelling is that of the rhubarb, because it's not red tea. It's a different type of I don't know, vegetable smell. I don't know, it's weird. So you can taste the red tea, which is pleasant, I will say. I enjoy a nice red tea. But the taste that I'm getting after that is kind of like a dirt taste. And again, I don't know much about rhubarb, as I've kind of steered away from it most of my life. I was under the impression that it's supposed to taste like strawberries, because I know that they like a rhubarb pie. That's just weird to me. I can't get celery out of my brain, so I'm probably not the best one to give a critique on this tea, as I don't have much experience with that. But I don't know. It just doesn't taste right. I will say, now that it has gone through my palate and I've swallowed it, and it's been a couple of moments since I've had it, I am getting a creamy taste, like a creamy aftertaste to it. So that could be the custard. But I don't know, that it just, I don't know, it has like a dirt taste to it, and yeah. So let's do this instead. If you've had experience with this tea, leave a comment below and let our viewers know, how have you enjoyed it? What does it taste like to you? What did you get on the front end of it as opposed to the back end, and how long did it take you to get that custardy taste? So let me know your ideas and impressions on this tea, as I just don't think I have enough experience with it to be able to tell you one way or the other. All right. Well, thanks for coming by and having a cuppa with me today. I really hope you have a great rest of your day. I can't wait to see you tomorrow and see what our Bird and Bling calendar has for us then. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Hey there, did you enjoy the content today? I don't blame you if you didn't. I just don't know enough about rhubarb to be able to help you out there. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe and see what kind of shenanigans I can get into anyway. That would really be great. Thanks!